In 1962, Jamaican producer Leslie Kong made history, recording Bob Marley's first single Judge Not and Jimmy Cliff's Miss Jamaica. Known as the Chinaman in music circles, Kong became Jamaica's top producer. But in 1971, he made a fatal mistake. He planned to name an album done by the Wailers the best of the Wailers. But Bunny Wailer was outraged. He warned Kong, "If you really believe this is the best of the Wailers, you will not live to see it released." Weeks later, before the album dropped, Kong collapsed and died of a heart attack at just 38. Was it fate, or did Bunny Wailer's words seal his doom? This is Raz Levy. Subscribe for more reggae stories.
Destroying and wasting their soul to Rastaman.